Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 140, that is word break 2. And again, I'm so sorry that video is coming out too late. I was just fixing the camera issue that we had from yesterday and still it's not working. Okay, and in this we'll be going to string as and a dictionary of strings, word dictionary, and we have to add spaces and s to construct a sentence where each word is a valid dictionary word, and we have to return all such possible sentences in any order. And okay, for example, we are having cats and dogs, so with my word dictionary is like this: cat, cats, and dogs. So what I have to do is I have to use these words basically, and I have to form this particular string. For example, we can pick cat, sand, dog. That will make like cats and dog. Otherwise, what we can do, we can do cats and dogs. So that will also be the same, cats and dog. Okay, and now for this, what we'll be doing, we'll be having a backtracking solution as well. So firstly, let's have my answer string ready, list of answer ready. Okay, my okay, I did say okay, these are written. Yeah, okay, so I'll be having my list of string, that is, let's have answer list, that is equal to new array list. Okay, and I will put it yeah, now it's fine. Okay, I'll just set this thing a little bit of the cable and all. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be having firstly we'll be passing calling the function that is find all possible words, and here we'll be passing my string is my word dictionary or word. Okay, so instead I'll be passing a new hash set that will be found from the word dictionary, my index, and a new empty string builder. New string builder. Okay, and at the end I'll just return my answer. Okay, now let's write this something that is private void find all possible words. I'll be having my string is my set of strings, that is my word set, my index, and a string builder. Let's call it SB. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my index is equal to s dot length. What I'll be doing is I'll be adding it to my answer list, that is answer dot add new okay, not new, sp dot to string dot trim. Okay, why trim? Because we'll be adding extra spaces at the end, so that's why. And at the end we'll be returning sorry, just simply returning the voice. Okay, and now what I'll be having is I'll be having a new variable that for int I equal to index plus 1, I less than or equal to s dot length I plus plus. Okay, and then I'll be forming a string word from I'll be forming it by shifting it from my index to I, and then I'll be checking that if my word set dot contains. Okay, a word set dot contains word, my word. What I'll be doing is firstly I'll be storing the length of my current string, so it will help me for backtracking sp dot length. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be doing sp dot append my current word, and also a space along with it, append space. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be calling the recursive function again, that find all possible words. Here I'll be passing my s, my word set. I'll be passing I plus, oh okay, I'll be just passing I, my index, oh okay, I'm done with the index and my string builder, and at the end I'll be calling, after recursion come back, I'll be doing sp dot set length of length, and just now let's run it. Okay, it says oh, strings not set of string. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.